car quits. Fall! You're watching Mafia TV. We film the hits, we show the real. For the drivers and promoters too, we bring the derby world to you. Still on still, no apologies. This is life in the derby scene.
Get out to the track in the Pickles car. Derby racer on the CRB platform. Smashes, crashes, and hits. This is why you stuck around.
The wind and rain. It's very windy and very rainy.
Alright, who's going to help me count it down now? Starting off at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Derby. Like Eurythmics, here comes the rain again, but we've got action on the track. Fredenberg. I'm a rubbing up to this point. Bale and Thompson going at it. Good hit by Brian Shevitz on Riley Day. Then pushing Toby up against the tires. Thompson coming in the Bale. Into Fredenberg, into Chad pushing Toby, going yard with him, pushing him right up into the tire. Dye getting hit by Shevitz. Bale trying up against the wall, trying to get something going. Shevitz going into Fredenberg. Going into Fredenberg, Shevitz hitting. Bale trying to get something going. Thompson driving around. Shevitz hitting the Dye. Thompson getting into Fredenberg. out. Hit by Fredberg on Piscadden. Mails out. Died into Thompson. Chevitz into Fredberg. Coming into Thompson and gleaning off him and going into Fredenberg. Chevitz into Toby Fredenberg. Chevitz into Thompson. Died into Fredenberg. Piscadden into Fredenberg. Chevitz coming, gets pushed back by Thompson. He goes into Diet. By Chevitz into Thompson. Chevitz, Thompson. Take the bomb to Thompson. Up against the tires. Fredberg is out. Chevitz into Piscadden. Scraping off on Chevitz into Piscadden. Diane comes in on Piscadden. Thompson into Piscadden. Fredberg into Chevitz. Diane into Chevitz. Smoke. Toby's starting to smoke. Died in the Piscadden. himself around. He's bringing the attention of the officials on him. Right, doing an end around on Dice. You got Thompson. He's over. He's got Thompson. Then comes back in on Riley. Riley gets held up, pushed over. Still trying to come on. Trying to see what's going on with Toby. Then it's coming in on Chris Gadsden. One race is trying to see what's going on with Toby. Thompson egging everybody on. Henry, go ahead. These are your final three. Jack Thompson, Ryan Chevis, and Kenky Gadsden. Chevis in on Thompson. Chevis gives Gadsden a little tap there. Two things neutral. Chevis in on Thompson with a good hit. Right there. Send him over. He gets out of the way. Gadsden, Chevis, Thompson. Down to our final two. Ryan Chevis and Kenky Gadsden. They're over in the far corner. Our final two. Ryan Chevis. Good job. Doing a lap around. Cat's coming at him. Swinging him out. It's like in there. Travis Dr. Cat, another one driving him right up to Tommy Best. He's got the best view of all of this right there. Everybody coming in on him. Here comes another hit to the front. Gadsden getting out of the way there. Here it comes back. Here it comes around. Good hit, solid. Happy to have it. Fist bumping going around. Real hugs later on. Everybody hitting. Gadsden pushing in on Ryan Chevis. Chevis backs up. They're going to make this look official. He's going to come in. Now, there you go. Right in. Give him a little tap there. There we go. Taking it to the wall, right up to the tire. Ryan Chevis. Into Cascadden. There's the good hit. Bringing it on, bring it on. Bring on more, he says. He says, take it back, take it back, take it way back. Now he's... Can wait. There we go.